Hello, my name is Missy, and today we will be discussing cognitive social theory of the personality of the Craigslist killer. Personality is evaluated by social systems, and the environment contributes to how the personality of someone is structured. Albert Bandura created social learning theory, which believed that learning begins as a child and behaviors are created by observing and imitating others. The social learning theory considers how both environmental and cognitive factors interact to influence human learning and behavior. An individual's traits and characteristics form their personality. Concerning the Craigslist killer, Philip Markoff, the community was shocked when they learned that he was a serial killer. He was 23 years old and considered an average man who was liked by everyone. He was going to college and was engaged to be married. It was clear to see that Philip had been living a double life that no one knew about. Philip found his victims by searching the erotic section on Craigslist. He robbed and killed women. Philip believed that he would never be caught, but he was eventually arrested and then committed suicide while in prison. As we apply the social learning theory to Philip Markoff, we can see that he planned out his murders and he had knowledge due to his bachelor's degree in biology. The social learning theory states that many people's behaviors are reinforced by their consequences. Philip was getting away with his murders. Therefore, he continued. Philip had a genuine desire to kill his victims and then cover it up. His crimes were premeditated, and the social learning theory states that a person must have the cognitive ability to carry out the behaviors. Philip was raised in a stable home, but he ended up following in his father's footsteps. His father was a gambler, and this is how Philip got in debt and possibly began robbing women. By Philip observing his father and imitating him, this falls into the social learning theory. Thank you.